Shibinta ban yoi ban skutu bat ban lap yaki jing bagi pajba ai Kynduh hakas kenai tarik weyong aja pesan emjang ba kajela kondar kisang ma baik ban Kynduh bat ban Shnong Markhmat bat Nongshong Shnong jang Shnong Jatah bat Syntung kibahap akan mau kondar blok iskasihil emjang ba oya selak bat sengap yaki jing pun sengau jang gidkot ke Jatah nong integrated village cooperative society bat gidkot jang ki self help group hakaba la yo sengau yaki jing bat jing job hargenti ya jang ki khamtam ban penya yeu ya ki mar rem bat kitiar bagi sina ha Shnong Syntung lai Kynduh bat sengap yaki jing jang kinong hikai ikna school ta sub senta bat kinong lab wanok sunyang ro san lak second hon tem na Syntung ban titia tem thamai oli jingok ro ya per so syang ne strawberry bai slok bat ki cheese pa khasan ngot kinong lab ki ba rap yo new ma rap ba penmi yo so syang ba bhatam hakari India susu umtang ba anok sunyang ro san lak ban sinai ke office self group hakari Shnong kam hadin walai ban jingok ro yak Syntung sub center bal okli na kinong tre ya kano ke jingduna ba ke jingdon kam kanang baka suka kan le mardor oleh jurip ru ya kemadan football ha Syntung ba yak Syntung upper primary school hak kabadon sispa sunfai mur ki kena bat prangut kinong hikai waya kren bagi kena bat bena ban ai jingara lailak tengka na ke chief minister special development fund ban tit der dem ta jongki
kabar ko na so ban ay go play the kran ba kwa ay kana nama tolong ba ni kum kasno sambadu te wa pa ma bainang si
we have created a dam and we have been able to revive this place.
Yes, they are willing to give.
There is space.
Yes.
So tell them that I cannot say anything by different IVCS. If they agree, they can see it, discuss it with me and with the MLA will be there in Shnong. I will organize their transport to be able to come, and then we will discuss this and we can take up that project out here. Truly very happy to be here today, to meet all of you and to be able to interact with all of you. And I thank God as well as I thank all of you for taking your time to come and to meet me and to interact with me. Given to these groups was about 30 crores to 40 crores in 2018. Today, in 7 years' time, since I became Chief Minister from 2018 today till 2025, we have distributed over 1,000 crores to different self-help groups. To buy broom grass at a higher price from the farmers. For broom grass, today the market price is 35 rupees. But we have put a price of 55 rupees based on the tri-fed Government of India rates. So, can you just ask them and just share with them that putting up a processing plant for tea, there are 2-3 things. Number one, there has to be enough plantation of tree, of the leaves. I mean the tea plantation. If the quantity is not there, then the processing unit will not be viable. Do they have how much of production, and have they studied that?
Akan laporan ini baik tu
36 acres. Saan ko daw yung pwede isang siya?
Kaya tayo po yung mutual yung tantrum, ay arjar, tahu na Myntri. Nay kita mengimpati itu sertifikat. Jadi saya dapat mengambil besar, fokus lagi buat orang.
Kakak tu yang ship ni itu selesai
Saya dapat itu sistem mengalami entah life pak kota dan macam.
300 quintals.
With our MLA to the office, carrying note. They have to be called to the office right after Easter. They will be called to my office. We will have a small program, and through our programs and the CM Elevate, we will be sanctioning this immediately. So I want this in the month of May. But April is not a good month to do this. So in the month of May, we will process it. Alex, it's your responsibility to ensure that this is done. But tell them that this the program involves the subsidy to a large extent, about 50+% from my side, and then it also includes some bank part also is there, about I think 30% or 40%, and some contribution from the local. So we'll have to work all of that out. We'll sit with them. But under CM Elevate program, I will take this project now.
In Shim, you're going to avoid that. Blood and Shim, and they go and pick Lupai, but not some percent can they make a subsidy, like 4% can continue to trade on the cabin. The Guinea Barocite have a sneak of a cut EP, it's a bit shy of half and see a current, when see a current number of an age of P, but he will fight in some hot and go and come half the interest.
What is it?
We are processing it now, sir. It was released a few weeks ago.
Even salary component. Salary to this no.
Wages generally they should not be delayed, sir.
Yeah.
We will check because
Wages also or material?
wages also you are getting.
No, immediately. Immediately within before this what do you call Easter
Yes.
break, make sure that it's clear. These are wages. Material, we have some problem because material all over the state and all over the country there is a problem. You can explain that now. And I think that video speak. He'll be able to explain. That all over the country there's a problem with material, but wages you tell them that as per same instruction we will release it before you. And you will do it. You do it before this Easter.
Yes, sir.
You finish it? Yes. Okay, then you can tell them.
Bomb is
But my only question to them is, they will have to choose that product that they want to process. So I can, now what is going to help the area the most? So if they're saying that yes, they want a tea plantation, let them take a resolution and then tea processing, I will do it. But they have to think that they say, no, I think it's better we have a broom-stick planter processing, that'll be better for us. Or they say, no, we want a processing for agriculture product, or we want a cold storage. So the IBCS and the villagers, if they can tell me which one they want. And if this is the resolution they want, then this is my commitment. But if they're saying that give us some more time, then let them discuss with the villagers and give me one proposal along with the Sardar and the headmen and others to decide. So I need to know that, that's all. Because only they have spoken now, but others I don't know.
Nagalan jong kabaning kong efin kan mau bila kulan ban support ipi kabede bat katamo tamba ikwa pa dia bantip na phi menta hatu pila penting kana bakan dei be kata gajing rap slasha ban kata processing lalu kajing sam lalu kajing ai bisa shekiliza.
Apart from self-help groups, we realized that the farmers did not have markets where they could sell their products. And hence we started the program where over 100 farmers markets like the one here in Jatah have been implemented throughout the state. We realized that farmers needed to transport their product to markets like Shnong, Guwahati and other locations, and they did not have vehicles. And that's why the last 7 years we have distributed over 300 agri-prime vehicles. And these vehicles are owned by cooperative societies, by IVCS, and I'm happy to know that one vehicle is here also.
Since 2022, they have submitted.
laboratory. We used to do blood testing.
Okay.
Malaria and because
Yeah.
yes, we used to do that.
Good. Very good. Very nice setup. Very nicely done. Do we have? Just send this separate note. Give Xerox of this.
Sir.
This should be done separately to the Commission Secretary Education.
Sir.
Oh. And this for your knowledge.
Sure.
We'll give for building grant.
Okay.
I'll give 15 plus lakhs. Let me see if I can give 20 also. Let me see. Because I'm giving so much now.
Because here rent house also is difficult.
I know, everywhere. It's not fair. No? Yes, more institutions required. Okay. Thank you so much. If there's anything you can, more you want to tell me.
I want the quarters and now it's on construction.
Under construction.
Yes. Before we need quarter, but now the quarter came.
Yes.
Then under construction.
Under construction. No?
Yes, sir.
So otherwise, the building infrastructure is
Yes,
okay.
sir, it's good.
It's okay now.
Water also good.
Water is also okay now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what about medicine and all other?
Medicine for now.
It's okay.
Yes, okay.
Yeah, you can tell openly. If
Yeah,
there is problem,
not
you
so
please tell
bad,
me.
not so bad. It's
Yeah,
fine.
it's okay now.
Yes, yes.
So if there's any improvement to be required, because I'm here,
So
so
we need fencing.
fencing,
Yes, sir. Fencing is too. We don't have fencing. It's not good, no, sir.
open, na? Too open.
It's too open.
Okay. And you said in manpower,
Manpower only in. We need more. One
A
more.
and M.
A and M.
One more. Okay. It is as per sanction.
Yes.
But-
So one is there. Now she newly joined. Then we need one more, no, sir.
Okay. So you have to be there now.
She because it's too.
That's the norm. Yeah. Okay. Then what about equipments?
Yeah, it's that one. That one.
Hmm?
He
What is-
said he want one permanent staff, but she already came. She joined today.
Doing not today.
Yes, he
I
joined.
think because I came there.
No, no, no. It's not like that.
I'm not joking.
Okay, sir.
Just joking. And do you have solar?
Yes, sir, it's there.
Solar setup is there. So the
It's good.
and it's working now.
It's
Solar is working.
Yes, yes.
Who gave it? The
Selco.
Selco. Okay. Okay, because the different organizations doing it.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Very good. What's your name?
Ibatok Marbot.
Is anything? Can I go?
Yes, sir. Because
Nobody there?
Yes, because the you know that room still is the
Oh,
under construction.
oh.
Then she keep things here.
No, it's okay. It's okay. She's super. When will they finish this?
They said they will finish within 3 months.
Which means when 3 months from now.
This month, last month they started, but
So by July.
by July. Because here is rainy season, they try to finish as fast.
Yeah, they should finish fast. And this is mainly for all of you.
Yes, sir. The
2 floors.
so, yes, sir.
That'll be good.
Yes.
Alex, what about A and M required? What about other things? Inside. Let the 4 lakhs be then, they can buy equipment also. They can buy music also and sports also as they wish. No? So I'll give the money to you, but I'll load your bank account. No? Yeah, so then we'll, so with the 4 lakhs you buy music.
We are not estimate, but if it is 20 lakh, I think that is enough. Then we need the hall also because especially in the summer season, when we have the devotion, it's very difficult. We cannot arrange the student because we have nearly 200 students.
1, 2, 3. One more. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you. So, do the students like music out here? You like music? Yes. Do you have music instrument?
No, sir, we don't have.
You want to buy music instrument? You want to buy?
Yes.
Okay, so I will give you 3 lakhs rupees from my side to buy music instrument. So you can start music class out here, okay? That's only for the students. But then next time I come, I want you to perform one song for me.
Okay? So we'll buy good music instrument for the students. I want them to start playing. And I will give some money for sports equipment also. Okay? We'll give some money for sports also. You like sports? Yes. What sports you like? Let me guess, football. And girls? Yes. Girls also football? Yes. Okay. So we'll buy some football equipment for them. Jersey and good football and some good equipment. And I'll send it across. Okay? Or I'll give the money to you, you buy. Maybe that'll be better. So we'll buy you music instrument and football instrument. Okay? Yes. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.